MacBook M5, it's finally here, and today I am taking you through everything from unboxing to a complete developer setup. Let's get into it. So here it is, the Apple MacBook M5. I've been waiting for this for a long time and it's finally here. Now let me tell you why I needed this upgrade. I was using an old HP processor, and when I say old, I mean really old. The battery was completely dead. I had to keep it plugged in all the time just to keep using it. It wasn't a laptop anymore, it was basically a desktop at that point. And the fan noise, it was so loud I could not use it in public. People would stare at me in the coffee shops like I was running a construction site. So here you can see the specs on the back. M5 chip, plenty of power for development work. And there's the comparison, old versus new. The difference is night and day. As a developer, I needed something portable, silent and powerful. So let's unbox this thing. Alright, now the fun part begins. There's just something satisfying about peeling off that seal, right? Apple really knows how to do packaging. And there it is, the MacBook already feels premium. What's in the box? We have got the MagSafe charger. It attaches magnetically, super convenient, and the USB-C to MagSafe cable. Simple, clean, and no unnecessary extras. Let's set this up. This is the customization of my MacBook. You can just watch it and copy it on your MacBook as well, or you can customize it according to your preferences. Now let's clean our dock and install our apps. First priority, getting a proper browser, and I don't just use Chrome, I use Brave browser. Why? Let me explain. First, it has a built-in Tor mode for complete anonymity when you need it. Second, it uses DuckDuckGo instead of Google. Google tracks everything you do online. DuckDuckGo doesn't. privacy matters. But the biggest reason, no ads. Seriously, you can watch YouTube videos without any ads, no extensions needed. Watch this. See, completely ad-free experience. And since I'm already on YouTube, this is my channel Coded in Pajamas. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, drop a like and let me know in the comments what tools you use. Your support really helps. And Brave does not just blocks ads, it blocks pop-ups and protects you from malicious websites too. Look at how many trackers it's blocked. Plus, it uses way less RAM than Chrome. Your laptop runs faster. It's a win-win situation. Now as a developer, there's one tool that's absolutely essential on Mac, Homebrew. Think of it as a package manager for macOS. Need to install software, one command and it's done. It's like apt-get for Linux users. If you're a developer on Mac, you know what I'm talking about. The installation is simple. Just paste one link in your terminal and you are set. Next up is Warp Terminal. This is a modern terminal built specifically for developers. The default Mac terminal is fine, but Warp is on another level. It has AI-powered auto-completion, organizes commands into blocks, and the interface is just beautiful. Once you try this, you won't go back to the default terminal. As a full-stack developer, Node.js and NVM are essentials. Because NVM lets me switch between different Node versions easily. For Git, I use SSH. It's secure and you don't have to enter your password every time. One-time setup and lifetime convenience. Now for the code editor, I use Visual Studio Code. This is every developer's go-to editor. Free, fast and has an incredible extension ecosystem. Alright, VS Code is ready. First thing I always do is set up my theme. This is the theme I use, which is clean, easy on the eyes and sets the right mood for coding. Now let's add the extensions that make VS Code really powerful. Here my must-have extensions for day-to-day development. Live Server starts a local server instantly with auto refresh, perfect for testing HTML and CSS. Git Lens gives you Git superpowers, see who changed what and when right in your editor. Auto rename tag. Change an opening HTML tag and the closing tag updates automatically. Huge time saver. HTML boilerplate generates a full HTML structure with one shortcut, no more typing it from scratch. CSS support, better IntelliSense and autocomplete for CSS. ES7 plus React snippets, shortcuts for React development, component hooks, everything becomes way too much faster. Prettier, automatic code formatting, messy codes becomes clean code with single click. All of these are free and they will seriously boost your productivity. For testing APIs, Postman is the best tool you can use. If you do any backend work, this is essential. And finally, something really cool, Ollama application. This lets me run LLM models locally on my machine. That means AI models running on a laptop, no internet required, completely private. It's like having ChatGPT, but everything stays on your computer. For developers exploring AI, this is a game changer. So that's my complete MacBook M5 developer setup. From unboxing to a fully configured development environment, this machine is now ready for coding. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment. What tools do you use in your setup? I would love to know. In my next video, I will be sharing my thoughts after using this for a few weeks, the good, the bad, and whether it's actually worth it or not. Until then, happy coding and keep building.